How do you apply vinyl?
Vinyl 101. Well, first of all, you apply it.
We want to know the process though.
Alright, so this thing goes in the bottom and the CH goes in the corner. Okay, we'll put the house thing first.
Alright, cool.
First and foremost, you have to understand the principle of inverted and non-inverted stickers. Non-inverted version and then the inverted version. The inverted version goes on the Japanese driver's side, which would be the USDM passenger side. That's the non-inverted, so the inverted goes on the Japanese driver's side.
Nice, nice.
First thing you have to do is wipe the area with soapy water to make sure you remove all the grease, oil, and other surface contaminants. That'll help with the application process greatly. There we go. Just wipe it down. Get it all nice and dry. Now stickers are very electrostatically charged, so go fuck yourself when you have trouble with them. They're fun. So really what it comes down to is having patience and a really good eye for level and straight application. Now you need a squeegee, because that's very important. I create an anchoring point, so now the sticker can't pivot. And then from there you just apply it down. Making sure you have even pressure. Going back, covering the areas that you applied already. And just keep going straight, no hesitation. Trust your intuition, trust your abilities, and you're done. Next step is going to be to put a very good consistent amount of pressure, because most of this vinyl is pressure sensitive, so it really becomes bonding once you apply a strong, even pressure. And don't be afraid to go back and forth multiple times. The goal is to make sure that you get the vinyl applied evenly and firmly. Then pick a corner. Usually I like to go with the way the vinyl flows, so you're not picking at edges, because if I peel from this, I'm gonna start peeling at the edges of all these letters. So just go in a way that makes sense to you. And just evenly and slowly, carefully, just take off the application paper. And if you've done everything right, you're done.
Nice.
Pretty.
Let me love you and baby